Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the second tutorial in this course, and in this tutorial we are going to check out the installation steps for installing WAMP stack on Windows. So WAMP is an acronym for Windows, Apache, MySQL and PHP. And if you're a Linux user, then it's possible for you to install the Apache server, MySQL database and PHP the language easily through the LAMP stack. And at the moment I have Windows installed, so I'm not going to discuss the installation steps for Linux right now, but maybe if I get some requests, I'll post a tutorial on how to install the LAMP stack on Ubuntu, say, right? So the first thing that you need to do is open your web browser and make a Google search for WAMP server, right? And follow the WAMP server site, and you might have to scroll down a bit, or oh no, it's the first link that pops on the screen, and click on that, and then click on start using WAMP server, and select the set of file that's appropriate for you. So if you're a 32-bit user, then select the 32-bit file. If you're a 64-bit user, then select the 64-bit file. And when you click on that, you'll have to click again once on download directly. I'll do that, and then you will be redirected to SourceForge website, and your download will begin in 5 seconds. And I already have the set of files, so I'm not going to download it again, and I'm going to cancel this download. But it's not a big file, about 41.5 MB in size. The size could be different, depends on what version you are downloading. And this is what the set of file looks like. So this is the icon for WAMP, and you have to double click on it and give it permission to run, and it's going to ask for your permission once again. You click on yes, then you click on next, and then accept the license agreement. And then the installation steps are fairly simple. There's not much that you have to do. Stick with the defaults, I'd suggest. And I already have the software installed on my system, so I'm not going to proceed with the installation. I'm going to cancel it. And once you have finished installing, click on start, and then click on start WAMP server, right? And type that and press the enter key, and it's again going to ask for your permission to run. Click on yes, and then you'll see something like this green square icon that you see. If it is green, then it means the server is online. And to test whether the installation was completed successfully or not, go to your browser, and in the URL box type in localhost and press the enter key. So when you do that, you'll see this page, and this is the index page for WAMP. And apart from Apache, MySQL and PHP, the WAMP stack also has another important software, and that's called PHP MyAdmin. So if you will scroll down on this page, at the bottom left corner you'll see the text PHP MyAdmin. When you click on the link, this is what PHP MyAdmin looks like, and it's a very, very powerful tool. Earlier there used to be no GUI option along with MySQL. Now they have the MySQL workbench, so people prefer using that, not PHP MyAdmin. But about 7-8 years ago, when the workbench wasn't there, this was the only GUI option to use for MySQL. And a lot of people are familiar with this, and it's very important for you to get comfortable using this software. And it's very easy, and we're going to check out this software too later in this series. So another thing that you can do is there's going to be a function here called PHP info. When you click on that, you can also, by the way, check out the documentation for Apache, and you can check out the documentation for PHP as well. And in the same column as you found PHP MyAdmin, there is this function PHP info, and when you click on it, this is what you see. So you see all the information about your installation, the PHP version, the system on which it's installed, and everything that you need to know about PHP, the packages that have been installed, and lots of other information which we probably won't be able to understand right now, but later on we're going to use a lot of these functions and packages, right? So that's it for this tutorial. We're going to check out some features of PHP. We're going to actually make our first PHP script file in the next tutorial, and we're going to try to do this using a script file that we make. So that's going to be interesting, and I hope you guys had fun watching this tutorial. You may subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.